Okay, so let's work some more with using addition to help us subtract. And our essential question asks, how can you use addition to help you find the answer to a subtraction fact? Our problem is Maria has 7 games. She gets 3 more. How many games does she have? Okay, so let's use our top workspace to do this. Maria has 7 games. She gets 3 more. How many games does she have? So I would do her 7 games plus her 3 games equals what? So you could use lots of strategies to add this, and this one is asking us to draw a picture, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, so she has 7 games. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She got 3 more. 1, 2, 3. What is she left with, or what does she have now? Well, I have 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. All right. Let's think about this in another way. Maria has 10 games. She gives 3 of them to her friends. How many games does Maria have now? All right. So she had 10 games. And she gave away 3 of them. What does she have? How many games does she have now? When they say gave away, she gives away 3 of them. That tells me it's subtraction. She's subtracting those 3 from the 10 that she had. So I could draw my picture of my 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And she gave away 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. How many is she left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Look how this relates to our addition problem we just had, using the same numbers. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. So our addition sentence up here could have helped us solve this subtraction sentence down there on the bottom workspace. So let's keep looking at some examples. And our model and draw asks us to use an addition fact or addition sentence to help us subtract. And our subtraction sentence is 8 minus 3. And it tells us to use addition to help us solve the subtraction problem. So we're going to take this 6, we're going to trace it, plus what is going to equal this 8. And I could use my blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I could keep adding to it until I got to 8, 7, 8. I'm going to stop. How many did I add? I added 2. That means that 8 minus 6 equals 2. I could use my blocks. There's my 8. Take away 6 of them. I'm left with 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Think of an addition fact to help you subtract. So number 1 tells us 9 plus 6. So here's my 9. It's already written for us. So I'm going to use this one, this number, 6. Plus what is going to equal that 9? All right, so you could use fingers for this. You could use blocks. You could use counters. You could use whatever is available to you to help you solve this if you do not know what 6 plus this number is going to equal 9. So I'm going to draw a quick picture because the blocks do take a little bit of time to draw. I'm going to draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to keep going until I get to 9, 7, 8, 9. How many dots did I add to that? I added 3. 6 plus 3 equals 9. That means 9 minus 6 will equal my 3. I have 9 dots here. If I take away these 6, I'm left with the 3 I had added. All right, let's practice another one. What is 11 minus 5? So I took my 11, it's over here. 5, I'm going to take this other number, plus what will equal 11? So same concept. You can use anything. You can use counters. You can use any type of objects you have. You can draw a picture. That's what I'm going to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus what is going to give me 11? Well, I'm going to keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to stop. I got to 11. What did I add? I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 6 equals 11. That means 11, right, minus 5 will equal 6. And I can look at my picture to confirm that. I have 11 dots. If I take away these initial 5, I'm left with those 6 dots that I had added. All right, number 3. Our problem tells us 10 minus 8. Use addition to help us solve this. So they've already given me my 10. So I'm going to put my 8 here. 8 plus what will equal 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to keep going until I get to 10. 9, 10. How many dots did I add? I added 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So think in terms of solving this subtraction. That means 10 minus 8 will equal 2. So I have my 10 dots. If I took away these initial 8 I had, I'm left with those 2 that I added. Number 4, 7 minus 4. We're going to use addition to help us solve this problem. So 7, they've already put it for us here. I'm going to take 4 and I'm going to put it as my first number. I need to figure out 4 plus what will equal 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus what will equal 7? 5, 6, 7. I'm going to stop because I got to 7, but what did I add? I added 3. That means 7 minus 4 will equal 3. And I can check it with my picture. I have 7 dots. If I took away those first 4, you can see I'm left with the 3 I had originally added. All right, let's keep going. Number 5 tells us to think of an addition fact to help you subtract. All right. So they tell us 16 minus 8. An addition problem to help me solve this. 8 plus what will be 16? Well, if you don't know that, you can draw a picture. So I could do 8. I can draw my 8. So there's 8. And I can keep going until I get to 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what did I add? I added 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. That means 16 minus 8 will equal 8. Be sure to write your number over here so that way your problem is counted correct, because that's what it wants us to do. It wants us to solve this subtraction problem using addition. All right, let's look at another one, number 6. Our problem is 10 minus 6. We're going to use addition to help us solve this. 6 plus what will equal 10? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to keep going until I get to 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what did I add? I added 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. That means 10 minus 6 is going to equal 4. All right. So let's look at 7 minus 5. We're going to do an addition problem to help us solve this subtraction problem. I'm going to do this. So I'm going to take this 5 plus what will equal 7. There's not a whole lot of room, so do the best that you can do. All right, so 5 plus what will equal 7? So if I have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to add to it till I get to 7. So there's 6, 7. So what did I add? I added 2. That means 7 minus 5 will equal 2. All right, let's do another one. 10 minus 5. All right, so I'm going to take this 5, put it up here, plus what will equal 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to keep going until I get to 10. So there's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what did I add? I added 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. That means 10 minus 5 is going to equal 5. And let's do number 9. 8 minus 5. I'm going to take my 5 up here, plus what will equal 8. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And oops, where did it go? Okay, that's okay. We don't have to use 2 colors. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8. What did I add? I added 3. That means 8 minus 5 will equal 3. There we go. Okay. All right, let's look at this one. Number 10, 11 minus 6. So I'm going to put my 6 up here. 6 plus what will equal 11? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to keep going until I get to 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What did I add? I added 5. That means 11 minus 6 will equal 5. Number 11, 13 minus 7. How can I use addition to solve this? I can say 7 plus what will equal 13. So hopefully it lets me write. So 1, 2, 3, oops, not gonna let me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to keep going till I get to 13. So there's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What did I add? I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 plus 6 equals 13. That means 13, and I'm on the edge of my paper, so it's only letting me write so much. 13 minus 7 is going to equal 6. All right, number 12. This is a math on the spot problem, so if you have not watched your math on the spot, I want you to pause this video and I want you to come back to it. All right, Emil has 13 pencils in a cup. He takes some pencils out. There are 6 pencils left in the cup. How many pencils does he take out? What addition fact can you use to solve this problem? All right. So what do I know? I'm going to get my highlighter. I know that he has 13 pencils in a cup, and that he takes some out, and that there's 6 pencils left in the cup. All right, so I'm going to do